Hi friends, so I've been thinking about upgrading the audio quality of my videos so that this whole YouTube experience will be better for you and also for me. Now, for the previous mics that I've used this one from the Razer headphones for my first vid. I've used this mic, but I'm still using this one for some voiceovers and video calls. And also, I've used this mic, which is the Boya BYMM1, a small shotgun mic. Very small, look, it's so small. Uh, but I wasn't really satisfied with the quality of the audio of this mic, which led me to purchase this mic, what you're seeing from the side of the screen. This is the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. Now, let's go to the unboxing of this mic. First, we have this hard case, which is nice since the Boya M1 mic only had the box. We have here the mic itself, the TRRS wire, and USB-C charging cable. Here we have a cover for the mic that's easily removable. We also have the Ryko shock mount to dampen any vibration that might interfere with the audio. And the shoe mount that can be adjusted in a rail so that you can use the viewfinder of your camera without the back of the mic sticking into your eye. We also have the stepless gain knob that can be smoothly adjusted to the gain that you desire. Just look at that smoothness. It also has a 75 to 150 low cut filter. Now to talk more about the features of this mic. This mic has a power detection mode. When you turn the mic on and it does not detect the camera, it goes into standby mode, and after 15 minutes of standby, it turns off. This helps you save battery power when you're not using the mic. The mic is also a smart microphone that allows a digital handshake with any device that it's connected to. This allows you to connect this mic to your phone or laptop and it would work immediately. Now that's all for this very short unboxing video of the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. Now what do you think of my audio? Has it improved? Has it gotten worse? Comment down below what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.